How to fix Snapchat account not loading up, or how to fix Snapchat not loading. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Snapchat not loading. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to fix Snapchat not loading, there are certain fixes that you can try. Now basically it's just a glitch or a bug if your Snapchat is not logging in or not loading up. Then first things first, you want to try and check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you are connected to the strong internet connection. You can also try and load other apps and check if your internet connection is working. You can also switch in between your networks like to mobile data or such. However, if the internet is not the issue, then simply scroll down your notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, scroll down and head into the apps option on your device. Once you're on the apps option, you want to simply search in for Snapchat. You can also scroll down and look in, but it'll be quicker to simply search for it. If you have the search option, tap on Snapchat, scroll down, head into stories, and here you can see clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and check if the issue has been fixed. However, if the issue persists, you can tap on clear data. Make sure to back up your account because this will remove your account from your device. So this is how you can easily fix Snapchat not loading up. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.